Alright guys, this is going to be a nice quick video today, and it might be a surprise to some of you that there's actually other dropshipping sites out there that you can use apart from AliExpress. However, AliExpress is pretty much the easiest because it integrates with Oberlo nice and easy. But if you find that you want to find something different, you want to find some different kind of products to promote, you can use other sites to find different particular products. So I'm going to go through those sites right now. There's 4 of them. Some of them you might know, some of them you might not know. But it's always good to have a different source or a different site to get products from, or just get product ideas from, instead of just consistently relying on AliExpress all the time. So let's jump in and have a look, guys. Now, one of the first sites that I used back in 2009 when I started dropshipping, so if you've been following my story for a while, you know that I started dropshipping in 2009. And I started dropshipping on from this website here and selling these products on a website called Trade Me in New Zealand. And I did it right. I made like 100, 200 bucks a week, 300, 400 bucks a week sometimes in profit. I didn't have any Facebook ad spend. I was using the traffic from the particular website I was selling on. Now this website, guys, is called ChinaVasion.com. And it's still a great site, and you can get things like cell phones, you can get things like gadgets, digital products, drones. I think drones are quite popular on here. Now the good thing about ChinaVasion is, first of all, they do drop shipping. It's manually though, you'll have to come and do the orders manually. But the products have a pretty good profit, margin and things like that. So for example, when I was doing this, I was selling these phones here. Like, how much is this? Is New Zealand dollars, by the way, not American. I can get one phone for $221 New Zealand. I would go and sell this for like 300 bucks, and people were buying them from me. I was selling quite a lot of these phones back in the day. Like I say, some weeks I would have a good run, maybe sell 4 or 5 phones. Some weeks I wouldn't sell many, but the thing is, you can go and put a good profit. I can go and sell this for 300 bucks and make like $70 profit, and people buy it. Now, traffic-wise, fair warning, I've never used Facebook traffic for the site or anything, so I don't know if it converts. But if you already have a customer base, let's say you have an email list of 3,000, 1,000 people or something, what's the harm in going out and being like, okay, we're going to go and try and advertise a cell phone to them, or we're going to go try and advertise, we'll go to Hot Products or something, we'll try and advertise a gadget to them, because they're already free traffic that have come in from your Facebook adverts, they've purchased from you or something like that. Now they're sitting on your email list, and they could potentially purchase more products for you. Now something like a drone might be a little bit hard to sell, because they're selling it for 1,100 New Zealand, which is not bad actually. Now this will be a knockoff, okay? Don't sell knockoffs to DJ Maverick Air. I don't know if this is original, it wouldn't be, so probably don't sell that. But if you could find a non-branded drone and you sell that, you could probably make 100, 200 bucks profit. What else we got? Universal car TVs, police body camera, maybe for a bit of fun, a mini camera. There's all sorts of cool stuff here, guys, and you can just go, but it's the only downside about this, oh, there's a Maserati, there's my car. The only downside about this, guys, is it's mainly gadgets and stuff like that, right? There's nothing else like clothing or anything like that. And actually, I just noticed something. These here, I used to sell these quite a long time ago from AliExpress, and they actually did quite well, these things here. So I don't know if they still sell well, but I could go and sell this for 50 bucks New Zealand. Headlamps, these sell very well. What else we got? So yeah, just some cool gadgets, guys. ChinaVasion is really cool, something different. A lot of these cell phones and stuff you can find on AliExpress, but I find a lot of them. This ChinaVasion was surprisingly very good quality for a lot, because a lot of the phones I drop shipped a lot of them, but a lot of them I actually shipped to my house as well in bulk for cheaper, and I sent out to my customers that way. So here's a drone here that's not a DJ Maverick, 71 bucks. You can maybe go sell that for 150 bucks, right? This looks like good quality drone. Good images, good quality. And there you go. So ChinaVasion is a good site that you can go and do drop shipping. These guys will drop ship products for you. Now another one is what we call Wholesale to Be, and this will interact with Shopify. They integrate with Amazon, eBay, Shopify, BigCommerce, EC Wild, WooCommerce, Bonanza, and Google. So I haven't used this site before. My friends use it. I haven't done much with this at all, but it is a great site that you can go and find products from, and you can drop ship. So if we go have a look at the products, they have clothing, electronics, pet supplies, baby products, all sorts of cool things. If we go to pet supplies real quick, there's all of these. Well, this is aquarium stuff, so we've got a Red Sea reef system, blah, blah, blah. You can go sell from your website, and it'll integrate with Shopify, and you can bring it on and stuff like that. But of course, you have to set up an account. You have to agree to the terms and conditions, and I don't know what else they require. I don't think it's a free, it's probably not a free, it might be free, it might not be. So, oh yeah, so you can install their application for free. Okay, and it'll import the products and everything like that. So it's kind of like a Burlo, I suppose. It'll import the products, and you can go through and add products. So this is another site, guys, but they don't have a huge selection of niches. That's really the only downside about this one and the China invasion, right? They don't have a huge selection of niches, but you could find something that maybe no one's selling, and it could be a hot product. But you know, you kind of like the sports and outdoors, there's gadgets as well, sports camera gadgets. So these two sites are not like, the only downside is these two sites don't have a massive selection of niches. Now there's another one here called LightInTheBox. This is pretty much a replica of AliExpress. I can't remember if this was around before AliExpress or after. I think it might have been around before, but it's pretty much the same thing, guys. Massive amounts of products, absolutely insane amounts of products, just like AliExpress. But sometimes you can find cool stuff on here that you can't find on AliExpress. You know, AliExpress is the holy grail of dropshipping, but it's not always the best. Like, they don't always have the best products to sell. They don't always have the best products that, you know, like this Lego stuff. I've never seen this on AliExpress before. So LightInTheBox is another great site that you can use. However, the only downside is, I mean, the great side about this is they have thousands upon thousands of products and lots of niches. The downside is they don't really, as far as I know, they don't have any Shopify integration, so it's not really automatic like when you're using Oberlo and stuff like that. So you would have to manually do all of the orders, and it could be a drag, well, it will be a drag if you're selling thousands upon thousands of items. However, I thought I would mention this one because there are some great products here for a great price that you could sell on your Shopify stores. The next one, guys, is pretty much the exact same as LightInTheBox and AliExpress. Once again, I think this was around before AliExpress. I'm not 100% sure, but I used to dropship from this back in 2009 as well. I can't remember if AliExpress was around back then. Once again, same thing, lots of categories, lots of products, but the only downside is the integration with Shopify. Now, there could be some integration now, I don't know, I haven't checked these out for a long time, but there's some cool products on here that you might not find on AliExpress. However, it's pretty much just similar. You probably are going to find these on AliExpress, but maybe you'll be able to find a better supplier here that has an AliExpress store, so you can hit them up and be like, yo, do you have something on AliExpress? Maybe they do a cheaper price here, and you can hustle them into doing a cheaper price on AliExpress and things like that. You've just got to dig in, guys, and find good suppliers and not just rely on AliExpress all the time, because sometimes you can find better suppliers on other stores that will also have a store on AliExpress, and you might not have found it on AliExpress or anything like that. So it's the same concept, guys. Click on things, it all comes up like this. You should be able to view reviews, transactions. You should be able to view their store as well somewhere. Yeah, so this is an automotive store, motorbikes and stuff like that. All right, guys, so this is a pretty short video. 4 sites that you can use apart from AliExpress to find dropshipping products and put them on your Shopify store or whatever dropshipping platform you're using. ChinaVasion.com, wholesaletobe.com, LightInTheBox.com, such a strange name, dhgate.com. And there's actually quite a lot of these sites here, guys, that are replicas of AliExpress or vice versa. You just got to find them online, but these two are pretty much the other, these two are pretty much the next ones down from AliExpress now, is the DHgate, LightInTheBox, and then we have the wholesale to be, which is pretty cool, and the ChinaVasion.com. Okay, guys, that's it for those. Now, before we go, I just want to let you know that to follow me on Instagram, guys. I do lots of competitions and stuff every now and then, give away money, give away my free copies of my course and stuff like that. Come and join me at Frank Chill. So Instagram let's get this down here. Instagram /Frank Chill, and you can follow me. And I upload stories. I got a story up today, I think. Yeah, so I upload stories quite often. And you can kind of see what I do in my day-to-day life. The other day, I uploaded some investment videos in the story and stuff like that. So follow me on Instagram, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.